Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to access hidden chats on Fiverr. Stay with us till the end to figure it out, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates from us. In order to find the hidden chats, follow the following steps. Firstly, open up your Fiverr app, and at the top right corner you'll see a search button. Click on it. Now type in the pin code you used while hiding the chats. As you can see, it shows the hidden chats. Tap on the chat you want to view, and now you have access to it. And if you want to unhide the chat, then swipe to the left, and at the near end you'll see an option to unhide the chat. Enter the pin code, and then the chat should be now visible in your main tabs. This is how it's done. That's all for today. I hope that this tutorial was helpful to you, and if it worked, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and leave a comment for any kind of questions and feedbacks. We will soon be back with more videos. Stay connected and goodbye till then.